seems like the sprayer is working pretty good, but just to recap, I'll take this apart and show you exactly what I used. Yikes, this is pretty ugly, but it works. So it's the original tube with a larger tube that's longer to reach the bottom of the container with some chopsticks and zip ties to keep it straight so it doesn't coil up. It is definitely not pretty, but it's worked out so far. So this is the 3/4 inch male to male adapter. And this is the 1 inch male to 3/4 inch female adapter. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know also. So thanks for sticking around and watching how I made this, and we'll see you in the next one.